got the summertime love. I work for your heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Haynes and this is PrettyPRChickTV. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave so you can check out all of my upcoming videos. And if you are a veteran member of the fam, welcome back and thanks for checking out this vid. Alright guys, so I'm so excited. So excited. Alright, so I ordered something that I've been wanting for, I don't know, the past 6, 7, 8 months. And I don't know why, I just did not want to pull the trigger and buy it, but I decided to go ahead and get it. So, shout out to Amy Elizabeth on YouTube. She literally got this purse like a couple years ago, like when I first started watching her videos, and I was in love with this purse. Okay, and then she's done updates on it, and worn it in like her weekly outfit videos, and I was just so jealous, like, oh, I could just picture myself wearing that purse. So I decided to go ahead and get it. Okay, so I actually ordered 3 items from Coach. So we'll open up the smaller items first. There's a ton of packaging in here. More packaging. Here's my little receipts and a little return label in case I don't like it. And then here's the first little item. There's the dust pouch, the little care card. And there it is. So I got this Tea Rose purse charm. Regular price, it is $95. The tag's still on there. And I got this one for, I believe, $47. But it is so cute. It is all leather. And it's all leather on the back. They're just so cute. It has a little Coach tag right there, a little baby Coach luggage tag, and then, you know, the little clasp, and then like the keychain clasp. So I actually bought this charm to put on my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM, and I actually brought it in here. It's chock full of stuff just for this video so we can see how it looks. I think it looks super cute. Oh, I love it. Alright, and then the next item it's wrapped up like this. This one has a little thank you card in it. My receipts, more stuffing, and then my teeny tiny little item inside the dust bag. And I got another purse charm, another leather Tea Rose. This one is $55 retail, and I think I paid $23 for it. I really like it. It's super cute. It has like a little gold dot in the middle, and it says Coach going around it. I love the little glitter embellishment. Super cute. So I'm not sure which purse I'm gonna put this one on, but I was just excited to get it because I thought it was cute and it was half off. Alright, and then in this box, this is the reason we're all here. So excited! Inside looks like this. Lots of stuffing. There's my receipt and another thank you card. And my purse inside of this dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is my new baby. This is my customized Parker. Oh my gosh, let's get all the wrapping off. Okay, so this is my new Parker. She is so cute. So basically I had to wait like, I don't know, a week. It may have taken like a week and a half because I got it customized. So once I selected my purse, I selected the option to customize it. So I picked out this style of tea roses and then the color and design of each one, and I think it's perfect. It's just so freaking beautiful. Like, look at these straps. So I love this. There's metal straps with like leather going through them, and then the sides are made out of snake skin. And then here's the luggage tag. This one isn't right though, because I actually got I selected a customized luggage tag, so I'm not sure. Maybe, hopefully it's inside. But there's the front, and then there's the back, and this has the Coach like signature monogram design. And there's the price tag. So the purse as it comes with no customization is $450, and adding these 5 tea roses was like another $75. And then it has the tea rose clasp right here. So pretty. You turn the little lock and you open it up. Oh, the inside is just so pretty, like with this wine colored micro suede. It looks kind of reddish on camera, but it's like the prettiest wine color. And then it is stuffed full of more packaging, which I don't want to throw out because I'm going to have to go through it, because I do not see my monogrammed luggage tag that I clearly ordered. There's some care instructions on the inside. So I'm kind of bummed out about that because my tag is not monogrammed. I'm sure I could always take it into Coach, but I'm just going to email them and hopefully they'll just send me one. So also on the inside, it has this 3-section design. So it has front section, back section, and then this zippered section. And then it has like the Coach Creed sewn in there on a leather patch. And then it has another pocket, front pocket right here. So this thing is freaking gorgeous and I love it. The only thing I'm bummed out about is my monogram luggage tag. So I actually wore an outfit with the intention of wearing this purse today because I've been stalking my tracking and I knew it was coming this morning. So my shoes are like some faux black and white snakeskin loafers, which I think are going to go cute with this. So I'm going to insert some mod shots at the end of this video so you guys can check out how it looks for yourself. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you really quickly what will fit inside of here. So here's what I have packed for today. One, I have this Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This is actually a piece from my multi pochette accessory or accessoire. I just basically took it off to use as a wallet. I have a pack of gum, some Kleenex, a hand sanitizer, my AirPod case, and I have an umbrella because it is supposed to rain. And I still have a decent amount of room in there, but I definitely don't want to overstuff it. So those are just in the 2 outer pockets, and I don't have anything in the zipper pocket. And I almost forgot my keys. So I need to throw my keys in here. And I still have a pretty good amount of room. You'll see like this whole maybe top third is still empty. So it looks good, and it's not heavy at all. It's really comfortable.
All night to the dawn, you stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the week.
So that is all. That is it. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them below in the comments. I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you have this purse and you have any tips or advice, please be sure to link them below. But I'm super duper happy with this purse. Like, it's just freaking gorgeous. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I will actually have a couple more Coach unboxings coming up, because I did pick up a couple of more Coach bags because they had a pretty good sale over the past week or so. So stay tuned for that. And I appreciate you guys watching this video so much. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.